Mavado, Aidonia them and the whole of them on one show and I make the youth perform last. It no matter if I even him them a come for see. Don't you make Masicka perform last and none of those type of show.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Artists, and if you hear me not even mention Gaza because cartel working with if you can come and respect.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Effing kill blood clot lizard into dead of blood clot prison. And that me I tell you.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People are going, I don't know, one Media Fox on the app, you know. Yeah, man, big up on the service, respect for the support. Is it? But people, you know, say, Khago drop a video, man. I talk one bag of thing, man. One bag of thing. I want to know tune in and make you know hear what Khago say. Although, I move like a hypocrite still. I remember when you usually say, you understand? But if I go on a video and make you know hear what go on, is it?
Mavado, Aidonia them and the whole of them on one show and I make the youth perform last. It no matter if I even him them a come for see. Don't you make Masicka perform last and none of those type of show. Mavado them a legend. Aidonia them a legend. You want to know a legend? Look how Aidonia stand up and talk. Come on, people, listen. When into Masicka is a different artist blood.
And the thing is that, you know, people, when I see the lineup, I say, channel, man, put Masicka for last, my G. When, bro, you see, Masicka a good artist, but we know, say, sometimes the hyping up and, you see me, sometimes them say him have a bag of hits and a bag of thing, and you see me when him go there and perform. You understand? But when I see the lineup, I see say him a close and Aidonia and Mavado on the show. Because people do walk out on him in the last. You understand? So I say, yo, him should be at least the third up artist where I perform. You understand? But I guess them a book based on the hotness, the hot song and a bag of thing. You understand? But when I see it, I say, yo, a wrong move that my G. You understand? Because you need somebody with a kind of bring up the energy and, you know? Yeah, just that. Is it? So, when I see it, I say, yo, I know that. Wrong move. If me a promoter, I wouldn't do that still. You see me? I just one of them things there.
Different artists, and if you hear me not even mention Gaza because cartel working with if you can come and respect. And in working with if fans them can put boy and girl in them place. Yes. But it is time now for you leave Masicka alone. If you agree with me, say bang bang. You understand what I say, brother? He move from being a fan to start all God have to intervene. All God have to intervene in a youth thing because I must say, yo, he move from whisper dog a tear no one just like oh me that see some man a come a cartel a tear down. I'm used to the tear down dog. Me used to the tear down so me can see it when it a come. I like who don't like the little youth because him successful dog. If me attack say bang bang, remember you know dog, I have never seen Masicka since in boss at the end of my life.
Yeah. And that's the thing I say go. Cause I always want to link up and bag of that, but when I can't get for D to the artist, I'm so not going to talk down for the artist them. You see me? But brother, people just attack. Yeah, Masicka, yeah, him never deliver the song them right, and some of the song them with them say it's song, it just never connect with the people them. You understand? Masicka just need to work on him performance, my G. And how to command the crowd. I just that. You understand? I just steps and you see me? Little instruction and certain little criticism. And every criticism is a bad one. You see what my trying to say? Yeah. I mean always say yo, in a game too long, you're supposed to know how to perform a G. You understand? A years now over a decade now in a game. And something when I see him do, I say, yo, John, what time for your master this, my G? Is what I try to say? Cause we want him to represent dancehall the real way. You see it? Yeah, man, that we want him do. You see me? But them hype him up. You see me? And that's why when him go to the shows them and sing them song and them little thing, bro. Sometimes the bag of hype up make the artists them feel comfortable in themselves, you know. But when them going to some different place, different atmosphere, the reality hit them. At them time, them I realize. You understand?
I have never seen. I mean, I tell you, say, Masicka, look at you to you in a studio with me around a quarry them, dog. Me I talk for experience. Leave the fucking youth alone now, dog. Make him man breathe, dog. Make him man... Brother, me I watch all the man, dog. The man that even talk 100. Because you see, they set him up, dog.
What you mean by setup really? Because bro, Masicka know him a perform last. Him no must know, so you mean by setup. If him never want to do that, him would tell them say yo change it. You understand? I just saw a thing oh bro. Masicka for just work on him thing now. You see me? And get the work up and so him can master him craft and them little thing there. You see it? But I just want him that does reality.
We all need each other in this music. Too much competition, dog. Keep it and telling us that music is a mission. Music is a mission. Me understand so the character when Masicka put out there that people hard feel like him. Just like myself. People hard feel like you. Me not come off like him to people. But that is just me. But we sing good music, dog. See? I mean, love Cartel, me love Mavado, me love Alkaloid, and me love Masicka too. See? I love talk government.
People see one clip here, you know. Cause him remember, you know, what him say. You see me? But we're gonna play one kid. That's what I'm telling you, yo, them man here, bro. Man here hypocrite, brother. You see me? Cause him know that the Gaza beat Masicka from day one, from when they split up. But he now come say, cause true, you know. True, you don't know him and Cartel good, you know. But this a video, you know, I when him and Cartel and the bag of thing now a chat. But make we hear what him say.
In my government, boy, effing kill blood clot lizard in the dead of blood clot prison. And that me I tell you. You hear my youth? Effing kill lizard in the rotten blood clot jail. Think they idolize boy, my youth. I fuck gonna take my things. What do I want to do? Yes. You know go like lizard blood clot mother now blood clot ball to go suck on the more pussy. Me wake up this morning with the blood clot head shut off. You understand? Don't know how me did I wake up and blood clot one now. Lizard mama. What the fuck gonna take people think for? Eh? After the say, Gaza people, you know, humble in the blood clot self. And come be talking. If you see me as an artist, I go at it. In my mind, I am just thinking that me not think about for hurting. But to how me see it, dog, you know, eat Masicka, that's another one here, so that you right off a morning. And news flash. There is not one out there better than him. Not one, not one. And listen, as me said, me still, I say, Gaza sky same way. You understand?
People, when you realize Khago a hypocrite, the man I say, them will stop fight you, knowing say Gaza and the youth not good enough. But him saying still I say Gaza sky. Is that you a hypocrite? Why you not tell the Gaza say yo, just low youth? Why you never say Gaza? But no, she ain't Gaza sky, and I want to call out the Gaza people them now, you know. You understand? But you notice when you start say that everything you look hype where you usually get it gone now. Bro, no weak out, brother. May I tell you no militant my G. A man just post a little song and ray. Your Gaza sky people. Cartel must have play him song or something. And the man, you when say name? Gaza sky. Yo, brother, may I tell you, say, yo, them man, I love be a groupie, that dog. May I tell you, that man change him name quick. You don't think the Cartel buy my house. Man say name Gaza sky now to bombard, and him say, if Cartel fi dead a prison to bombard, dog. I tell you, say, yo, that dancehall space is corrupt in the dog. Yeah, man, I tell you.
I still say, Masicka, I am a lover of music. You don't come off of you thing now, dog, and make the man focus on that. Please, dog, you don't look good now, dog. Listen to me. You don't want God intervene in this youth thing. Me see it say, dog, you don't start, what do you call it? You don't start alter youth. I want to see when him ostracized or sitting. Like the man is not a part of our industry. Bro, you know what I mean here to do? And this Masicka situation show me said, don't keep friend. Don't keep friend. Don't you ever keep friend. No keep no friend with nobody. Masicka situation show me say, listen to me. Friend is not for everybody.
And that's why, and that's the thing, that's why I rate how Alkaline move. Alkaline keep himself to himself, brother. Remember me tell you, brother. Cause the money are corrupt, dog. You see me? Man, I will sell you out for your grain and rice. That me I tell you.
Say bang bang. Masicka thing keep on showing me say, yo, friend is not for everybody, bro. Because listen to me. Masicka once was a part of the Gaza and thing. Not like him a Gaza, you know. But in the day they give them strength. And them I give him strength. See? And not because him and the big man fall out, dog. Well, I would just turn against him. I want to see him dead, dog. People can't fall out.
But Khago, why me hear you talk and you not remember, you know? Remember, you know, when Alkaline fall in a game in my G. Alkaline never did Gaza nothing, you know. Remember when you put in the eyeball in my G? See? And them ask him a question how him feel about Vice Cartel. Remember, you know, brother, the youth are doing thing, you know. And them a try press the youth about cartel, you know. You understand? Them time the youth black and the youth having him contact lens are doing things so him can get the acknowledgement in a dancehall and drop him hit song them. And them try push cartel on the youth career. You understand? Remember that, you know, the youth not do cartel or say nothing bad about cartel. The man say, yo, when him ask him that, anybody would answer that question when the man say, yo, how him feel about cartel. Them never yet ask such a question yet. You think them could have looked on cartel and ask him how cartel feel about Alkaline? See? And he would say, yo, I don't really feel nothing about no man. You understand? And he would say, yo, Cartel a great artist. And him respect Cartel like any other artist. Nothing wrong with that. So when you say with Masicka and Ray, although Masicka did link with the Gaza same way. If Alkaline never link with the Gaza, and the man them deal with him so, imagine with Masicka, my G. Man them not partial nobody, dog. You understand? Man ain't not partial nobody, my G. You think them no want a youths at that, them no want other youths. Look on the Grammy with you. Kesnam the winning Grammy. And look how them did the youth, all of this up Grammy and all of them. You feel like them youth, they want a youth achieve nothing in a game? And that me I tell you. So but what them a do to Masicka? Bro, remember you know that the Masicka, you know, brother. Cause I'm usually over them, no what go on. You understand? So now him want go do him own thing. Can realize say, yo, if me I go do my own thing right now, you know, yo, me have to go, you know, move from this. You see what my try say, G? So I just one of them thing there, brother.
And knowing how cartel stay, you know, take nothing for tomorrow morning. You see my Masicka good back. I tell you. See, cartel do this thing for competition. Don't be shame my morning.
So we are say shame, so I'm over Cartel and Masicka. Maybe we link. I don't know what kind of world no link living in my G. You understand? So you tell me say Cartel love competition, but with the youths them. After I'm in the game, if Cartel him level say yo, them a man in a league, why him have competition with them then? That now make no sense, my G.
2026 done. And you know see cartel and Masicka good. Because there is nothing we cartel do more than the business of music. And you know your feelings with it. See, come off of the youth career now. I make the man can perform good. But what kind of performance you know want from the DJ? I may ask you know. And no, tell me. See? Some people will never perform a day in their life. I say Masicka now perform good. Masicka now perform good. Listen, if we did rate the youth from day one, the man cartel could have followed 1,000 times. You know if you still rate him. A bad DJ. Okay, no stomach my sick. Because we don't never expect it. But listen to me. Expect any God Almighty thing from a man. expect anything from man. Because listen to me, Masicka and Cartel will follow just for business alone. I don't even know.
Yo, Khago head cheap in a man say business. What is man? You know see clash go on, the man not tell everything what you mean by business. For business, everybody know why Cartel and Mavado, Cartel and Masicka a bag of thing go on. From Sunfest me G with Joshy. So I don't know here talk about business.
But it look disgusting. This who know I deal with a youth. So did you listen to me? Don't you guys understand say Masicka can be Cartel son?
You know, so me always hear Khago say this. Him say this with alkaline too, you know. Bro, what do you know, dog? Me not understand this. Why am too, no? Cartel now have to, yo, that's why that's why Cartel son them can't get a break in a dancers space, you know. Kai come like, on talk like Cartel now, no son by himself, like him blood. And that, you know, people. The man then come and say, yo, Masicka, could have a Cartel son. Alkaline is Cartel son. Bro, like in other industry, I'm saying do them thing them G. Like when just put the whole of the whole generation, the whole youth them in a one man and me G. You feel like say a Cartel alone people look up to in a dancehall me G? Eh? You feel say one artist alone? A una alone me hate them thing, you know. You understand? Una alone, Joe, bro. We just put one person. Una live in a illusion, dog. You see me as some bow down mentality thing. You see me? And when them used to do it and make the system trap them in this madness and then them carrying a reach certain not even a decade, brother. You understand? Because of them thing there. You see it? Cartel do him thing in a dancehall, my G. Look how much artists in a dancehall people look up to. Who know I try to put the whole genre of artists with Cartel. That don't make no sense, my G. That not make no sense. Me nah see them do this in a hip hop. Me nah see them do this in a Afrobeat. A dancehall alone, me see them do them thing, bro. We sick in on the brain, brother.
Leave that alone. Leave that alone. I am asking you, don't you guys understand, say, Masicka can be Cartel first son?
People, you don't know one meter for spanning up, you know. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, you don't know. A mad thing, man. Big up on yourself, man. Respect for the support. That is it.